Hello friends, welcome back to official YouTube channel of the Education Hub. Today we are going to cover the topic electric power of class 10 physics. So let's start without wasting our time. Electric power. Electric power is defined as the rate of doing work. So that means we can write electric power P as the rate of doing work. That means work done divided by time. So this is the formula of power. We can also write it like this: electric power is equals to work done in unit time. So this is the simple definition, or we can write it: work done is the power is the rate of doing work. So let's talk about it in more details. Now let's talk about the unit of power. So as we know that power is equals to work done upon time, and we know that work done has the SI unit as the joule and time has the SI unit as the second. So the SI unit of power is joule per second, that is also equals to watt, and watt is denoted by W. So SI unit of power is watt, that is also equals to joule per second. Now if question arises, what do you mean by 1 watt? So as we know that watt is the unit of power, and power is equals to work done upon time. So work done has the unit as the joule and time has the unit as second. So 1 watt will be equals to 1 joule 1 second. So now how can we define it? We can define it like this: power of an appliance is said to be 1 watt if it work 1 joule in 1 second of time. So that means 1 watt का means हो गया कि 1 joule work done 1 second में हो रहा है आपका. So now if we talk about the other units or the other formulas of the electric power, so let's proceed. Now we are talking about formula for calculating power. As we know that power is equals to work done upon time, and the work done है that is what? Let's talk about the first potential difference. As we know about the potential difference is equals to work done over charge. So from here we can calculate work done is equals to product of potential difference and charge. And as we know that charge is equals to product of current and time, that means Q is equals to IT, आप लोगों ने पढ़ा है. So now work done is equals to V into Q and Q is equals to IT. So the work done will be equals to V I T. On putting this value in this equation, we got as the power is equals to work done upon time. Work done is equals to V I T and divided by time T. Now T से आपका T will cancel out and the power will be equals to V into I. So this is the second formula of the power, and the first formula of power is this: work done by time. This is the first formula and this is the second formula of power. So now as we know that potential difference V is also equals to I into R from the Ohm's law. So on putting this value in this equation, so the power will becomes V into I. V means I into R, and there I is already present. So it will becomes power is equals to I square R This is the third formula for calculating power. Now, if we place here the value of I, now what will happen? As we know that power is equals to V into I, and I is equals to V by R from the Ohm's law. On putting this value in this equation, we got power is equals to V into V by R, because we put V by R at the place of I. So now it will become power is equals to V into V square by R. This is the fourth formula of the power. Formula number 4, formula number 3, formula number 2, and formula number 1. First formula of the power is work done upon time, and the second formula is V into I, and potential difference, into current, and the third formula is I square R, and the fourth formula is V square by R. So these are the formulas for calculating power. From here, now we proceed towards the next topic, that is electric energy. So let's see what is electric energy. Okay, what is electric energy? So electric energy is basically is the product of power and time. So now how it will? So let's see once again about the power. As we know that power is equals to work done upon time, and as we know that from the 9th class, work done is equals to energy. On placing this value in this equation, we got power is equals to energy by time. So if we want to calculate energy, so energy will be equals to power into time. From here we can define it, electrical energy is the product of power and time. So now what is the unit of electric energy? Electric energy is equals to power into time, and the unit of power is watt, and the unit of time is second. So the unit of electric energy is watt second, and if we talk about the bigger unit, that is kilowatt hour, and 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 1000 watt into hour में कितना टाइम होता है, that is 3600 seconds. Okay, so now if we want to calculate the relation between kilowatt hour and the joule, we can calculate it from here. Relation between kilowatt hour and the joule is, as we know that 1 kilowatt hour, let's change it. 1 kilowatt means 1000 watt, and the 1 hour means 3600 seconds. So 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 1000 into 3600, that can be written as 36 into, there are 3 zeros and there are 2 zeros, 36 into 10 raised to power 3 plus 2, 5 watt second. This can also be written as 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 watt second. And as we already studied, watt second is equals to joule. So now 1 kilowatt hour will be equals to 3.6 10 to power 6 watt seconds will becomes joule. So that means 1 kilowatt hour contain 3.6 10 to power 6 joules. This is the relation between kilowatt hour and the joules. I hope this is clear for everyone. if you want to get another videos related to other topics, so you can write the topic name in the comment section. And have a good day.